You are telling a story, but your sentence feels disconnected. Like, I woke up late, I missed my bus, I was late to my class. Sound boring, right? Now, let's add some linking words in this sentence. I woke up late, so I missed my bus. As a result, I was late to my class. Sound much smoother, right? That's the power of linking words. They connect your ideas and give you more fluency like a native speaker. So, today I will explain different types of linking words and to give you real life example and show you how to use them correctly. Okay, so let's dive in. Oh wait, if you're new here, don't forget, click the subscribe button and bell icon for never miss an update. First of all, linking words for adding more information. These words help you expand your ideas by adding extra details. They are and moreover, and moreover. And is basic and commonly used. Moreover makes you sound more formal and polished. For example, I like playing football and cricket. I like playing football and cricket. I enjoy playing cricket. Moreover, I practice every weekend for improve my skill. And now, linking words for contrasting ideas. Linking words for contrasting ideas. These words show differences or opposite ideas. They are but, however, on the other hand. But, however, on the other hand. But is basic and commonly used. However is more formal and used in written and spoken English. And on the other hand, introduces another perspective. Introduces to another perspective. For example, I wanted to go out. I wanted to go out, but it was raining. I wanted to go out, but it was raining. I wanted to go out, however, the rain changed my plans. I wanted to go out, however, the rain changed my plans. I love summer. On the other hand, my sister prefers winter. I love summer. On the other hand, my sister prefers winter. And now, linking words for cause and effect. Linking words for cause and effect. I mean reason and results. These words explain why something happens. Why something happens. They are because, so, therefore, as a result. Because, so, therefore, as a result. Because introduces the reason for something. So introduces the effect of something. Therefore and as a result are more formal. Used in essays and reports. For example, I was late because I overslept. I overslept. As a result, I was late for my meeting. It was raining, so I took an umbrella. It was raining, so I took an umbrella. He didn't set an alarm, therefore he woke up late. He didn't set an alarm, therefore he woke up late. And now, linking words for giving examples. These words introduce examples to clarify your point. They are, for example, such as like. For example, such as like. Like is informal and common in conversation. Such as is slightly more formal. For example, is used in both writing and speaking. For example, I enjoy sports. I enjoy sports like football, basketball. Many countries speak in English. Many countries speak in English. For example, the USA, the UK, and Canada. And I love desserts. I love desserts such as ice cream, cake, and anything with sugar. And now, linking words for summarizing. These words wrap up your thoughts smoothly. They are overall, to sum up, in conclusion. Overall, to sum up, in conclusion. In conclusion is formal and used in speeches and essays. To sum up is neutral. It can be used in daily conversations. Overall. Overall is perfect for giving a final opinion. For example, in conclusion, practice makes perfect. In conclusion, practice makes perfect. Overall, linking words help improve fluency in English. To sum up, learning English takes practice and patience. Learning English takes practice and patience. And now it's your turn. Write a sentence in the comments below using my linking words. And I hope everyone enjoyed this video. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. See ya in the next video.